Hey, just a random video for extra content to keep you guys not from being bored. So yeah, as you can see this, I don't know if anyone recognises it, but whether it's a genuine one or not, but it's a Metro 6R4 bonnet. I picked it up with a few other panels we can show you another day. I've got a couple of wings and one front wing. I don't have the whole body kit, but my dream has always been to build a Metro 6R4. Whether I'd never actually, I have lots of plans, and I never actually really ever wanted to make a genuine one of anything. Really, I wanted to build a Lamborghini Countach kit car. Again, I didn't really want the original one. I just wanted to build one. So, as you guys know, I think I would really like to attempt to put a Subaru floor pan in a Metro and use a four-wheel drive gear. So, you know, it looks like a 6R4. It sort of sounds quite noisy. It sounds good, but it's not obviously a genuine 6R4. But I just want to put my twist on it. So I still feel I'd like to try and do that. Obviously, there's loads of other ways of doing it. I could make a proper replica, but you know me, we love the cutting and shutting here. We've done it with a Mini before, so I do know the Subaru engines are long nose, but I do love the sound of them, regardless of whether you love them or hate them. So yeah, yeah. Whether I can do anything anytime soon or not, obviously we've still got the pickup to finish. Well, I've always promised to give away car as well, but just the current times, I don't know what's going on just at the moment. But if for any reason I get a break from work for a little bit and we can find a little bit of budget, I really feel like we could smash a good project out in a few weeks of just having a laugh, get a couple of mates down, find a Metro, find a Subaru, and let's just see what happens with a disc cutter and a reciprocating saw. Yeah, and my kind sponsors, ABS. I'm sure he'd get involved. Yeah, I'll pick that up. I just smacked it with some Ford white, even though it looks like old English white, and it wasn't a very good job. There's a lot of runs on it, but it just makes a bit of wall art, which I think you guys might have already seen. My patrons know I've been wanting to do this for a while anyway. But yeah, what are you guys think? Are you with me? Should we go for it? How do we go for it? You know, as I said, I was just thinking, get a warehouse, get the Subaru next to the Metro, and let's just see what fits and what don't fit, and just go for it like we did with the race car that didn't race. So we could do a rally car that doesn't rally. That'd be good, wouldn't it? The rally car that doesn't rally. So we'll see how the next few months goes, and see what actually happens. Yeah, because all I know is that if we can get hold of those two vehicles, we can make quite a lot of content without too much extra needed. You know, it is just welder, reciprocating saw, and more gas obviously because we've run out. And yeah, just let it rip, potato chip, as someone famous says. So yeah, a little bit of extra content there. Welcome to my world and how my brain thinks. Who loves a 6R4? Who doesn't love a Subaru? Okay, there's lots of haters there as well. But I think the combination of both would be absolutely amazing and a good laugh to build. Really do. All right, let's see if we can make it happen, guys. See you soon.